Just dip the sausage in eggs, and you won't want to make them any other way. Here I'm using 5 mozzarellas and 5 cooked sausages, and I'll roll them like this. I'll repeat the process with the rest of the sausages. Let's put them aside in the fridge. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add 2 eggs. I'll season with some salt and pepper. Then just beat really well. Done that, now just dip our roll in wheat flour. Next, let's dip them in eggs. To finish, in breadcrumbs. It'll look like this. Let's freeze it for 5 minutes. After that, just fry in hot oil. When it's golden, it's ready. Just take them out and let them drain on paper towel. And folks, look how yummy these rolls are. Super quick, easy, and best of all, no dough needed. I hope you liked it. Here's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug. See you next time.